H.D. Kumaraswamy sworn in as Chief Minister back in 2006. At that time, his partner, the BJP. His Deputy Chief Minister, B.S. Yediyurappa. That experiment lasted only 20 months, collapsing when Kumaraswamy refused to honour the rotating Chief Minister agreement with the BJP. But Kumaraswamy has denied the breakdown was his fault.
And over the seat to Yediyurappa.
According to me, they are not the reliable parties to join hand with them, according to me.
Those alliances highlighted the ambitious nature of 58-year-old H.D. Kumaraswamy, the third son of former Prime Minister H.D. Devegowda, willing to risk a near breakdown in relationship with his father over the BJP tie-up just to be in power.
Just 4 months back, I had
Ago you had surgery, yes?
even after that, actually, I am not taking rest. I am working hard this time to get the people confidence to come to power on our own.
Those ambitions were visible in the 2018 campaign as well, as Kumaraswamy, despite recent heart surgery, hit the road hard, drawing crowds but ending up with only 38 seats. And yet, a sudden offer from the Congress has made Karnataka's kingmaker once again the king. So what will Chief Minister Kumaraswamy 2.0 mean for Karnataka? In his last stint as Chief Minister, he was known for his village state programs. But he also faced corruption allegations, both as Chief Minister and while in the opposition, connected to illegal mining and irregular land deals. His wife Anita has political ambitions of her own and has stayed by his side. Kumaraswamy has other interests too, in film production, and has launched his son Nikhil as an actor.
H.D. Kumaraswamy knows what it's like to be Chief Minister of Karnataka. But while last time round it was with the support of the BJP, this time he'll have to keep a close eye on the BJP as it watches for any kind of weakness in his coalition with the Congress. With Govind Murthy, this is Maya Sharma on the steps of Vidhana Sauda in Bengaluru for NDTV.